Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for the Erica Rose Creates design team, and I am using a kit that is in her store. I believe she had a class all based around this kit. It comes with cut files and pattern papers and all kinds of Pinkfresh wonders. I'm also bringing in, I guess I could flip you through it really quickly, guys. I did a complete unboxing, so it came with this cut file, half of this paper pad. We have pack of the Pinkfresh frames, cardstock stickers, a half sheet of this paper. I'm going to do 2 layouts with it, so yeah, next layout won't have as much. I have this. I've got this one. We have a couple more cut files with picture perfect moment and snapshots. Not as easy to see, but that's what it reads. Oh, and then we have these foam strip ones. Cute. Cute, cute. I'm going to put those aside. I'm going to put all of these extra cut files to the side. I've got a Doodlebug Petite Prince piece, another Pinkfresh piece, and then it came with this navy. And now this cut file here, this is not part of this kit. I just, that's going to be for my layout number 2. So let's just not pay attention. But that cardstock is. I also have a pack of enamel dots from Echo Park and Scrappin' Happy Studio Flair. Perfection. So I'm going to move this cut file out of the way as well, since we're not using it this time. Although I can always use the border if I need it. I don't know if I need it. Who knows? I have right next to me on my desk as well Erica's new stamp set. Now, this layout's not going to be about pool party and all of that, but I was looking at the stamp set, guys. We have the word love. We've got hearts, and we've got these glasses here. Rays for days would work for my layout. I'll show you my photo. And some more hearts here. So guys, hearts I can use on anything. So I thought I'd have that handy dandy. And I have to trim this photo better. This is a photo of my son, just a little selfie in his truck. So he's got some shades going there, which might be fun for this layout. And he's freaking so cute. Okay, so I have that. Gotta trim up the photo. I'm at it with a scrap of white cardstock. Perfect. Now, I'm planning on using this cut file here that came with the kit. So now Miss Erica's all about like tons and tons of white and, not as much pattern. Yeah, that's not me. So we're going to have probably the photo going that way because he's facing that way. Great. I love the cut file. Love the, gosh, what's it called? Oh, the thing that goes like that. And then it goes. It's not an Etch-a-Sketch. That's the other thing that I was terrible at Etch-a-Sketch. Anyhow, so we have all of that. So what I think I'm going to do is put these aside for now. And I'm going to get into this 6x6 pad. I love 6x6 pads for backing cut files. So we've got all of these pieces here as well as the heart. So I'm going to just go through and see what patterns are kind of vibing. They all are. My son's wearing a navy blue shirt. Navy blue, dark gray, I don't know. But it totally is going. Do you guys think we need this color background? I want a tiny bit of contrast with my cut file. And guys, I'll pop up my cut file as well on some dimensional adhesive because I do like me a little contrast. I like a little bit of shadow. Now I can go this way, which definitely brings out his vibe even more. I would pop it like that though, because I have a thing about stripes going on the horizontal. Kind of like that too. But let me see, do we have that navy in here? Ooh, we do. So as long as I back my photo with navy, he will pop. Oh guys, so much trauma. Okay, I'm gonna go to my original idea because usually your original idea is the one that's going to play out the best. I'm going to back this cut file. I'm going to trim this little sucker here. Guys, I know that gets so bright. It's okay. It's okay. There. Now it's gone. I'm going to back the cut file. That's going to be great. I'm like trying to mess with my lights a little bit. Doesn't matter. Okay. And then I'll be right back. Yes. Give me a second. All right, guys. I don't know what it is about cut files, but I love the vibe. Everything comes together. Oops, did you see that? I have a tiny little piece that wants to be shimmied over. Oh, I hate when that happens. Okay, anywho, I am going to shimmy this little gray piece over till it makes me happy and fills in the whole space. Then we will have, now it's sticking to me. Anyway, we will have our nice little cut file all taken care of. Let me get these gray pieces where they need to go. Oh my word. Okay. You never should move stuff once you're happy because you end up in the situation I'm in now. Okay. So I've got my cut file. Love it. It's all filled in. I have matted my photo on just a piece of scrap white cardstock that did not come in the kit, as well as some of this gorgeous navy blue. And totally matches what my son is wearing, so that is fab. Got it popped up on some foam. I really like the idea of matting it though. It needs a little extra zhuzh. So, a couple things I can do. I can mat it with this if I wanted, but then we might have a stripe with a stripe and I'm like, about that. Or what I could do is I could also mat it with this piece here. And I'm a little bit more inclined to do that because I do love a nice little texture on a cardstock. So I think I'm going to do that. And when I did cut my cut file, I put it right in the center in case I still wanted to use that navy and get a little bit of double duty from it. So we're going to do that. Sweet, 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 sweet. Now, the next thing to look at. Okay, we have all of those things that we like. We have enamel dots. We have flare. I can use flare all day long. Favorite flare company, Scrap and Happy Studio. This says today was a good day, mood buster and moment, or mood booster and moments together. So we'll sprinkle those around in a few places. That will be fab. And then I have some frames. So what might be kind of neat, let's see with these flames, and I normally cut them on the side. I have no idea why I'm pulling it out like this. Now, a title would be cool. And I don't have little title-y things. So I have to pick out a title from these. I have Cheers, which I kind of like because it's that same navy. Family Getaway, that doesn't work. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I totally love that label. So Legit will work for my photo. I don't know. I'm getting it together. But what I was thinking, so I was like, if we take any of these, would that be cute if we put a couple frames like around these bits? Like how many of them would actually work? Life Captured. Oh, that one works. So I could put them in a few areas. I don't know why this seemed like a good idea, but here we are. Hello. Now, there's a lot of like a reddish color in here. I could do, which I'm not trying to pull, although I do love the word extraordinary, but I don't love it for this. So let's see if I bring in this color, or do I bring in this? This one will show more. So let's go with this. So if I have it like that, I tend to like to do things in a visual triangle. So that's perfect like that. I totally have to get this matted. I have to get my background popped on. I'm just starting because I get excited. You guys, let me do that little homework bit and then we're going to do this. So if I have the 3, you know, it'd be so cool. And I just said I was going to do what I had to do and then I popped over and here I am. Moments Together doesn't work, but I could have moments on there. And that could be cool. So I can have that one maybe there. Let's put a blue one here and Mood Booster. Actually, that matches really well right there. Should I bring this one here and have that one there? Nope. Shows more like that. Guys, look at my flare go right in there. I have to get rid of Together though, but we'll pop something right on top. So I've placed things around. I did cut out these cute little tags. Yes, I know words. And I'm going to pop them right there. I thought that would be super cute. And then I just took this out from the cardstock stickers. It reads Loving This. And part of the reason I chose it is it's the same color as this frame down here. And I needed just a little bit more of that color, I think. So let's go ahead and just have a bit of a lovingness right there at the top. Great. Now these pieces down here, I'm thinking would be kind of cool if I just popped up like the front of their, hold on, getting a couple little adhesive squares on there. If I just popped them up a little bit, I just like a bit of shadow. And this part here that reads Moments Together, it's growing on me. So I'm like, you know what? I might leave that just the way it is. And I was going to tuck this in more because I like that right here. Love this right here. How cute is that? Okay, super cute. All right, love those pieces. Now, I think Love This might actually end up being my title. Not sure. Ooh, look at this True Happiness piece too, guys. That's so cute. Wait, am I moving this? Am I having feelings about it? Or do I just want to use all the things? I love the idea of the navy blue because of what he has on. So hold on. Ooh, I've got a Frankenstein strip of my my little strips here of, oh gosh. Ugh, I wounded it, but that's all right. I'm going to cover the wounding. True Happiness. And then I think I'll have Loving This come up here. Just because I do definitely want some of that color on there. Now. Things that are left. Ooh, love all this. We have enamel dots, so easy to use. I used all 3 of my Scrap and Happy Studio Flair, so that's awesome. Now we've got these little bits. We've got this sweet little camera that is perfect. I can put that right there on the tag, because why not? We have that. I can put that one there. And then Loving This. Maybe I can get a yay right on this one and it can hang off. Now I don't need string. That's done. Smile, cool, yeah. Okay, I like that. Let's see what's on this one. So we've brought in enough of this color. That was a concern. I wouldn't mind a tiny bit of it over here. Ooh, and look at this. Perfect. When I said a tiny bit, this is what I meant, like a yibbit. So this says this was a good day. Ooh, I need the smallest piece ever of adhesive to go on the back. Okay, like an infant. Okay, let's see where we can get some of that color over here. Maybe right here? Cute. Okay, guys, this is one of those times, like, we've got our cut file, right? And I'm digging it. I'm liking it. And I'm pretty darn happy with this layout. So let's spend a second and we're just going to get a couple of these little enamel dots on because that may be all it needs. Love that, like, kind of slightly pea green color too. Don't know, love it. Now I don't need to use black on this. I didn't go with any of the black touches. I do have lots of the blue. Ooh, I kind of like this tone. Brings out the gray pretty nicely. So I think I'm going to go with tucking. I have a large one there. Then let's go with a cute little medium and then we'll do a light blue. And we'll just kind of sprinkle that around. How about that? So I'm going to go large tealy one. I'll have a medium gray one. And then what do I need? Oh, I guess I'm doing another small little teal. And then I'll do one right here. So, large teal. And we'll have that be part of this little starburst cluster action. Totally fine, not a big deal. So guys, that is that for this layout. Sometimes they come together, and you know one of the reasons why they come together so easily, it's because you have a great cut file. And it just kind of does its thing. So, do I need any mist? I was thinking about putting some of, you know what, I'm going to do a tiny bit of stamping. I think I might just come in with this sweet little heart here and do a like some light gray shadow stamping just to kind of get it on there in my clusters, but it won't take over. So hold up and I'll show you my finished layout. All right, so I just did some really light stamping with Lost Shadow, and I'm loving it. It just filled in my clusters the smallest bit, and gorgeous color match, people. So that's what I have today. So I use this kit. This was super fun. I have one more layout with this kit using one of the new cut files that is in the shop. So stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. I'm going to have still shots to follow. Oh, and all the links down below where you can get your hands on these kits. Bye for now, friends.